how's everyone doing today? I'm James with RPM Improvement Outdoor Services LLC, RandallPMI.com. What we have today is a blower, an Echo PB250LN that a buddy of ours brought to us because it's having an issue. When you throttle up, it bogs down. So we're going to investigate that, see if we can't figure it out. Probably have to do a little research and see what might be the problem with that. Towards the end of the video, we're going to go out to the shop. I'm sure you hear the banging maybe in the background, and to the other shop and take a look at how the F350 flatbed project's coming along. So stick with us. We're going to see if we can get this figured out. We'll be right back in a minute. Okay, as you could tell by that video clip, as soon as you hit the throttle on this bad boy, she starts losing power. So sometimes the cause of that can be a dirty spark arrestor, which is not the case with this particular blower. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drain this old fuel out and replace it with some Red Armor mix and see what happens after that. That stuff looked pretty nasty. So let's change it up, put some Red Armor mix in and see what happens. Let's let it run for a minute. Got the new fuel in there. Okay, the fuel issue was probably a major problem, but that didn't solve the throttling up and the running issue with the blower. So we did a little research and found out actually this is kind of a fairly common problem apparently. Found another video on YouTube because hey, when you're not sure about something, what do? You go check out YouTube and see what's up. So we're going to go over what the most probable cause of this is. I'll link to that video also in the description, and we're going to see if it works on this blower. Okay, what I found out is that there is right in here a little set screw, and it has a plastic cover on it, so we got to get it off. And hopefully we could adjust the carb a little bit and get this thing running right. Okay, the video I found was Rudy over at Take a Bath Productions, and he had the same type of problem with the blower, and it was a great source of information. So like I said, I'm linking that video in the description. But what he did, he used a nail set and heated it up and stuck it in here and let it cool off, and then pulled that plastic out. Well, I'm gonna try it out with an Allen wrench, heat it up and stick it in there and see what happens. Well, we'll see how that works. Let it cool off. Alright, it's cooled off for a few minutes. Let's see if we can pop this out of here. I hope. And there she is, I think. Let's take a look. Let's get some light on the subject. Oops. Yep, we got her exposed. You see that little set screw, or that screw in there, adjusting screw. All right. Okay, I actually modified a screwdriver to make it small enough to fit in there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our little modified screwdriver, and we're gonna go in and we're gonna adjust this screw to the left, and we're just going to see what happens. Just going to do a little bit at a time, try and fire it up. was a ticket, changing out the fluid, then exposing that little adjusting screw, getting it adjusted just right. Looks like it's working just fine. All right, let's head out to the shop where Chad's working on the F350 flatbed and take a look at what's going on out there.
Okay, so where we're at now is we've gotten everything trimmed out, everything cut out, all the old stuff is out. We're in the process of installing the new panels, and we have the inner rockers clamped into place, and so we're going to be building from the inside out. We got our zinc spray, and that's a good corrosion fighter whenever you are welding two pieces of metal together. So that's where we're at now.
Well, Chad's making great progress on that F350 flatbed. Can't wait to see how that turns out, and we will keep you up to date with the project as it progresses. Thanks for stopping by and watching the little fix we had for the Echo PB250LN. Make sure you check the link out in the description, because that is the video actually that I watched to figure out how to fix that problem. Now, the fuel in that blower was disgusting. It was terrible, and it was probably part of the problem too. We put red armor in all of our stuff now. If this is the first time you've stopped by this channel, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, think about hitting that subscribe button and hitting the bell so you can keep up with what's going on with us and all the new videos we put out. We appreciate your support, and thanks for watching.